In this video, you will learn how to use LinkedIn video to grow your business. LinkedIn came to video relatively late, but as of 2017, they've been developing and launching some great new features like LinkedIn native videos, and will soon be launching their LinkedIn live videos. And video has already become their fastest growing format, getting on average 3 times the engagement of text-based articles. Like most other social media platforms, LinkedIn really want to push video content on their platform to get people to stay on it for as long as possible. In other words, anyone posting quality videos on the platform at the moment is sure to reap the benefits, especially since video is currently not oversaturated on the platform, making it a great opportunity for savvy marketers to get in early. Welcome, I'm John. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can get notified every time we post one of our videos. And let me know down in the comments section if you are using LinkedIn videos for your business. So let's get started by going through the 3 different options that you have to publish video content on LinkedIn. The first is LinkedIn shared videos. LinkedIn shared videos are videos that are published by simply copying and pasting an external video link into a LinkedIn post. For example, if you share your YouTube videos on LinkedIn, these would be referred to as shared videos. But since the introduction of native video, we don't recommend uploading shared videos because they simply don't perform as well as videos that are uploaded directly to LinkedIn's own platform. For this reason, shared videos are restricted from playing automatically on viewers' feeds. Because people have to go out of their way and click the play button to watch them, the engagement levels of shared videos are dramatically reduced. Now on to LinkedIn native videos. LinkedIn native videos are videos that are uploaded to LinkedIn directly rather than videos that are shared from another platform. As they're published directly on LinkedIn, they tend to win much better engagement, interaction, and shares than shared videos. When viewing them side by side, the only noticeable difference is that the LinkedIn native videos will begin playing automatically when in view on your feed. Now, this sounds like a small factor, but LinkedIn themselves report that it makes native videos 5 times more likely to start a conversation among members. To upload a native video to your LinkedIn page, first click the video icon next to start a post at the top of your homepage. Then select the video you want to post and add any text and hashtags you want to accompany it before hitting the post to publish. They only allow you to upload native videos, which have a maximum duration of 10 minutes. So make sure you keep them within this time limit. And finally, we have LinkedIn video ads. LinkedIn video ads are sponsored videos for business that appear on user feeds just like native videos. There are 2 main types of sponsored ads you can choose from. The first option is pay per video view, more commonly known as CPV. This works by you specifying the maximum amount you're willing to pay per video view, and then each time your video is viewed, you are charged for it. The second option is pay per 1,000 impressions, more commonly known as CPM. How this basically works is that you specify a set cost for each 1,000 times your ad is shown, no matter how many clicks you receive. CPM can be a really good option if you are getting high click-through rates, as it can lower the cost per view if lots of people are viewing your videos from the video impressions. To launch a LinkedIn video ad, you will need to create a free campaign manager account. It's simple to do. Just hit the work icon in the top right corner of your LinkedIn account. From the pop-up menu, select Advertise to open LinkedIn Marketing Solutions page. Then click Create to get started. So now, here are my 5 best practices for LinkedIn video. Number 1, perfecting headlines and descriptions. LinkedIn studies show that the most influential factor in encouraging people to watch your videos on their platform is the video's headline and description. When it comes to your headlines on LinkedIn, the 3 most effective things that get people watching are its relevance to their job, referencing their specific industry, and its uniqueness in comparison to the competition. As for the text descriptions, they should be concise, engaging summaries of everything that you'll cover in your video. Make sure you give the reader a compelling reason to watch it in the first sentence. 2, encouraging interaction. Comments, shares, and likes help improve the visibility of your LinkedIn videos, improving their chances of going viral. To encourage this, try asking questions in your videos, headlines, or descriptions. These would be questions that the viewers would want an answer to and inspire some discussion within the comments. Be informative or thought-provoking so people really want to share your content with others. And include a strong call to action that's easy to understand and follow in every one of your LinkedIn videos. 3. Keep videos short. LinkedIn studies show that the sponsored brand ads that do the best on their platform are less than 15 seconds long. And for all other marketing videos, they generally recommend keeping them under 2 minutes for optimum engagement. So think up creative ways to get your message across in such a short time. 4. Create content to have impact when muted. If you want your videos to perform well on LinkedIn, you need to make sure they're engaging with the sound turned off. This is because your videos will initially be on mute when they start automatically playing on someone's feed. If they're interested, they'll have to manually unmute it. So therefore, it's not surprising that most videos on LinkedIn are actually seen with the sound turned off. And here's how you can manage it. Firstly, and most importantly, if you have dialogue or narration in your video, you should definitely include subtitles. Secondly, try opt for presenters or actors to keep the viewers engaged whilst the sound is muted. Another effective way to avoid boring your audience is to add interrupters, such as varying backgrounds, adding text, screenshots, and other visuals to mix things up. 5. Keyword tagging. When writing your video description, make sure you broaden the reach of your videos by tagging them with all the relevant keywords. These should be added as hashtags at the bottom of your video's description. Now here are 5 great LinkedIn video strategies. Number 1, be educational. Creating videos that educate your viewers and offer them actionable insights into their industry and interests is probably the greatest LinkedIn strategy for engaging people with your business in 2019 and beyond. It really cements you as an up-to-date expert in their minds and keeps them coming back to learn more. Number 2, sneak peeks. A relatively quick and easy way to generate content that builds excitement and buzz around your business is to reveal sneak peeks of products, launches, events, latest work, or anything you've got coming up. 3. Moments. Working on new, exciting, and fun projects every day? Let the LinkedIn community know about it and keep your audience engaged with short day-to-day goings-on and behind-the-scenes videos. They're a great way to keep your audience engaged quickly and easily. 4. Influencer interviews. The benefits of having a well-respected influencer, for example, an industry expert, speak highly about your business goes without saying. 5. Testimonials. There aren't many better strategies than case studies and testimonials to prove how great your offering is. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We really do appreciate it, and it inspires us to keep creating great content for you. If you need more help with your video marketing, you can also get in touch with us here at Spiel on www.spielcreative.com. Thank you for watching.